How man allegedly duped All Progressive Congress APC of 70 million naira. Welcome to the news and please subscribe to our channel. A young Nigerian has been arrested after being accused of duping a Nigerian political party of 70 million naira. The suspect has been identified by the name Tokpe Jimmy Fajin. In my opinion, I think some Nigerian youths have been blinded by the love of money and has failed to see the dangers of fraud. This man pretended to be one Pastor Ize Iyamo. He told a member of APC who has been identified as Alhaji Bukar Dalori that money is to be used to sponsor APC governorship campaign in Edo State. He succeeded in deceiving this man who sent him the sum of 70 million naira. Unlucky for the suspect, he later got arrested by members of the EFCC and will be charged to court. I think that the earlier Nigerians know that there is nothing to gain in fraud, the better. Now this suspect has been arrested. How will he even spend the money he allegedly stole? Oh my goodness. The thing is, there is more to this news. There is more to this news. There is more to it. Believe you me, 70 million and it stays. You say reason them. You say think about it now. 70 million naira and it did not disappear. There is more to it. You see, these days crimes are easily manipulated. If you go and look into the story now, you find out that this crime is not what he committed. In Nigeria, you don't know what to believe. These people come out, label people. You are labeling fraudsters. You that is a fraudster, you are a total fraud. You are labeling somebody a fraud. How is there any difference? You come to Nigeria, you tell people that I will do this for you, I will do that, and those who are gullible, they believe you. And at the end of the day, you do nothing. You loot and loot and loot. If the people complain, you punish the people for complaining. You frustrate their life. You make their life a living hell. And you're calling somebody else a fraud. Haba. You say have conscience. Are you yourself not a fraud? For the fact that you came in with no intent of doing anything. There is nothing these people will do for you. I keep saying it. These people will do nothing for you. Look. In Nigeria, sincerely, I'll keep saying it, Nigerians are highly intelligent people, very industrious people, very, very people that have been blessed. These people know this. And every areas Nigerians are going to succeed from. If they close this one, tell me, they will close this part where you're getting money from. Give that particular thing some time. Before you know it, another person has found another thing. Tell me if Nigerians are not highly intelligent, how do we get to keep surviving? Yeah, these people kept closing everywhere. You look for another door, they close it. Okay, somebody will you hustle, you find. You find another route, okay, why you are opening it and why maybe few people have started getting from it and maybe from few people are now coming to notice it. Before you know, the government notices they close that particular one. Nigerians are highly intelligent. So to me now, there is no, why is the proof? This one is mere. Why are the evidences? Is it, yes, let them give us evidences. It is not okay to come out. I'm not citing anybody. I'm not saying what he did is right. But I'm saying, is this news true? Is it true? Because these days, a lot of things happens. A lot of things. Is it not just yesterday that information getting to us that a girl that's nothing, no criminal record, nothing. She was not with arms, not built because she's a member of the indigenous people of Biafra. She's a friend to a member of IPOP. That is a crime. She's now facing terrorism charges in the court. Is Nigeria? Are you telling me that we are fine or we are well in this country? I will keep saying this. These people, open your ears, oh. Hey, if you don't have money to buy eardrop, please use water to wash it well and soap. Also use sponge. You wash it very well so that you listen to what I'm saying. 2023 is around the corner. They will start now. You see the money they're supposed to use to build infrastructure for you, they'll use that money and they'll start sharing it up and down. They'll share, they'll give 10, they'll give 20. In fact, they will even increase it to 50 so that you're going to that money, 50,000 naira a week. You know, go permit me to switch. You know, go reach you anything. No? That money, only food you go use and do. Except maybe get one problem that you want to use it to solve. Back to English language. These people, they do not care for you. They are only interested, just like capitalists. That is what they are. Not just like. They are capitalists that do not want the people they are extorting to know. Meanwhile, Nigerians know, but some people still want to remain that way. Why? Because they are getting small, they are picking crumbs. How can you keep accepting to pick crumbs from the table of, and you know that you can actually make what they are making? That is it. You see, they do not want you to know too much. If you think it's a lie, I'm going to say this now, and it's going to be like a shocker. Why do you think that these particular people are in government, and yet their state is so much underdeveloped? They know that once you are intelligent, once you find out the truth, they're in trouble. They do not develop their state. They do not make education. All those ones they do on TV and show you on TV. My sister, my brother. It is audio. It is audio. Let them go to states. You see, in northern Nigeria, once those people are educated, you see what the West and the East, this, what's it called now? This agitation for secession. The North will start fighting against these people. The North, they do not know anything. They're keeping them in the dark. Why? They want them to remain in the dark so they will keep using them too. That is why you go there and you tell a family, you bring people together, tell the village chief that I'm going to be giving you, I'll be giving you 2,000 naira every week. Those people can go and do anything you want them to do. Why? You're giving them money. Keep them in the dark and use them. There is more. Look, Nigerian story. If you keep thinking about it every day, you would. That's why I said in my other news that you should make sure you take care of your mental health, because Nigeria is not. They're not taking care of you. Your leaders you are electing, they do not have your interest with everything now. That is just the truth. Okay. He was only trying to collect his share of the money you people sat on. You think so? The boy should not be punished, but the giver of the money should be arrested and punished because he invested in election malpractices. That is another point. Okay, that is it. On this note, we have come to the end of the news. We say thank you for tuning in to listen. Until I come your way next time, enjoy the rest of your day.